Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee Roxanne. Today I will be showing you this super cute makeup look for fall. This is a very soft smoky eye, and if you want to see how I get this very simple go-to makeup look, just keep watching and we'll get right into it. The first thing that I'm going in with is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock. Then Anastasia Dip Brow in Chocolate. I am brushing the brows out with the spoolie, and starting at the front of the brow, I'm making fine hair-like strokes until I reach the tail end. I will add more product to make it darker, and then shape and fill in the rest of the brow. The Neutrogena Peptide Antioxidants Radiant Creep Concealer on the brows and the lid. I am lining the brows with the concealer, keeping the brows' natural shape, and bringing that all over the lid, as well as under the lid, and tapping that in with the warmth from my fingers. Now I'm lining the top of the brows using concealer and a bit of foundation so that there is no halo. I've got my Got2b Glued Ultra Spiked, and I'm tapping the back of my dual-ended brush onto the gel, swiping that onto my eyebrows, but not picking up any of that chocolate color, and then brushing the brows up and then combing them into place. Now with my iSeek eyeshadow palette, I am using the fluffy brush and going in with a peach tone and making that our base color. That's going to be our transition. I have the Brow Shop dual-sided jumbo crayon, and this is for your eyebrows, but I'm using that brown on my eyelid. I'm using a small lip brush to bring that color all over the lid, and I'm just smoothing that color in. It's going to be the chocolate color and one that's more mocha looking that has red tones in it, and then I'm mixing those two colors together and putting that directly over the lid. With a short eyeshadow brush, I'm going in with a bronzy shimmer, and I'm tapping that onto the brow bone and then brushing it in to give it that shine. I am going back in with that peach transition color in the fluffy brush just to clean up any shimmery dust that has fallen. With the LA Girls eyeliner pencil in Blackest Black, line the top eyelid all the way across. Then with the lip brush, I am going to take that color and pull it across the eyelid and then pull it up onto the eyelid as well to create a smoked out effect. I lined the lower lash line as well, and now I'm taking that peach eyeshadow color and using the smudge brush to smudge that eyeshadow color out. I am creating a defined wing using the Black Radiance waterproof liquid eyeliner. I used the Kiss Super Hold glue for the lashes, which I did apply off camera, and I will be making a super simple video for that. I'm using the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray and the Smashbox Matte Foundation, and spraying the brush that I'm using and applying the foundation in small little dots and then blending out that color all over my face. The Neutrogena concealer, I am now going to conceal on the sides of the nose, as well as under the eyes, on the chin, the bridge of the nose, and then right on the center of the forehead. With a small beauty blender, I am dabbing that color out. Once we are complete, I am going in with the Ben Nye powder, and I'm going to just bake those areas that we did conceal. After 5 minutes of baking, I am going in with a large powder brush and brushing away that extra powder. With a small angled brush, I am going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation and applying that to either sides of the nose. we're going around the tip of the nose, creating a circular shape, and then brushing this color out. With a blush brush, I am taking the Black Radiance Baked Blush in Toasted Almond and brushing up at the cheekbones. We want to have high cheekbones. Now we're using that Kat Von D and contouring right under that blush, still focusing on the cheekbones. And then you want to brush under the chin area along the jawline and the forehead as well. I am using the Halo Perfecting Powder and a large powder brush to apply that all over my face so that everything can set in place. Now I'm taking that shimmer I applied on the brow bone and I am using my fingers to put it on my cheekbones, my nose, my upper lip, baby lips chapstick, and I am applying that all over the lips, just a light amount. I am overlining the lips using the Knobby lip liner in dark brown. And I'm stopping before I get to the corner of the lip and then bringing that liner down to the bottom, but I'm not overlining that bottom lip, only the top. And make a line down the middle. Bring some of that brown color into the sides of the lip. Now I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Dallas, applying that all over the lip, but not ruining the chocolate color. Slide that silk wrap off of your head and go ahead and open up the flexi rod and unravel it in the opposite direction, and the curl should come out nice and bouncy and spring right back up. Don't forget to go back in with the Kat Von D foundation around the edges of the hairline just to give that contoured color. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching until the end of this video. If you want to see more looks like this, check out my channel for the latest videos and subscribe for the latest updates. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.